lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing my BRAVA box. So I unboxed this last month and I did not have a very good review on it. I did say this was definitely a ripoff. This is $25 a month, and last month was the first time ever unboxing it. My husband did purchase this for me for Mother's Day. It is a $25 a month subscription, and when I added up the all retail value, you only had $27 worth. So $2 extra you got. So hopefully this is a little bit better. My husband did cancel this subscription, but not in time for them to send me the July box. Or maybe it's June. Yeah, because the last one I did was May. So this is definitely the June box. So I got it late. But if you want to see if this is any better, do I still think it's a ripoff? Then keep on watching. Alright, so let me tell you what this is. So it's $25 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products every month. You do get free shipping if you live in the U.S., and this is a LATINA owned subscription. Now, it was my understanding that every product in here will also be from a LATINA owned company, but when I unboxed it in May, it was not all LATINA. So I don't know if I'm just misinformed, and I don't know, but I do know this is a LATINA owned company. So I'm not sure if they watched my video. Hopefully this is a little bit better. My husband, like I said, did pay for this, and he got it in May, but we didn't get it till like the first week of June or maybe the last week of May. And this again, we just got, and so you get it late. So I don't know if this is how it always is, or because of COVID, you know, everybody's having a hard time, especially smaller companies. So let me cut this more to get this open. All right, so that's what she looks like when you open her up. And let's take everything out. So it's packaged very nice. And last time there was not a card, so I hope there was a card this month. And so we have that, and then we have another wrapped again. So this is definitely wrapped a lot better than last time. Okay, so this is the same thing that happened last month. So there's not a card in here, so I cannot give you prices. But last time in May, for May's box, I got 2 of these. Not the same thing, but they were from Lunes. And you get this on Shop Miss A. And so I know they're definitely $1 a piece. This is the Snail Essence Mask. So you get 2 of them. And they're considering this 2 items because there's 1, 2, 3, and then this. Because it's saying you get 5 to 7 items, I would just consider this 1. I just did a glossy box where they had 2 of the conditioners, and they used that as 1 item. You know, I would not, but okay. But I do know that these are $1 on Shop Miss A. So right there, hopefully the value is good with everything else, because this is a $25 a month subscription. All right, the next thing is from Beauty Creations. This is a Glow Primer Oil that's non-greasy hydrating oil. So I'm going to look up this price real quick and see, because this is going to sadden me if the same thing happens. I was looking for my phone. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm on the Beauty Creations website, and it's saying that it is $10. But when you look it up, you can get it other places for cheaper. But on the website, it's $10. So you have these for $1 a piece. 1, 2. This is $10. So this is $12 right here. Now, typically when you get subscription boxes, you want to have it double the value, at least triple the value. But you're hoping to get double the value. So we have $12 worth. Okay, the next thing is from Fashion. I think that's what it's called. What is this? Romantic Beauty. I just got this in another subscription. So what subscription did I get it in? The new ice cream beauty box. So let's see how much this is for this liquid lipstick real quick. All right, I am finding romantic beauty on the BRAVA website. This is a wholesale website, this beauty brand. And so you can get these for like 40 cents. I'm trying to find, let me do a little bit more digging. Yeah, you can get it on AliExpress, different places, Amazon. So I don't know how I feel about this. I'm not going to open it and swatch it. I'm not saying this is a fake or anything by any means. It's just, you get it on wholesale. So this is not that expensive. And this is a $25 month subscription. This is the same price as BoxyCharm, right? So let's continue. And last but not least, it says Be Bella. This is a Dreaming in Color eyeshadow palette. So this is it's called Artistry Palette. So let's see what it looks like. That's probably why we don't get cards in certain subscription boxes, you know? All right, so you have a nice mirror, and these are very pretty. Like, I am not going to deny that. Extremely beautiful and right up my alley. Let me see what I can find out about this before I start swatching it. Okay, so on the Be Bella website, it's saying it's $14.99, so $15. So 15, then this is 10, is 25. Then you have 26, 27. And then this is wholesale. So even if I say $1, $28. So you're only getting $3 more. I just don't think this palette is worth it. I mean, this subscription is worth it. Because you can take that $25 and get something that you would really like. Now, I know I say BoxyCharm. No subscription box can compare to BoxyCharm because BoxyCharm has been in the game for so long. But then you have like Ipsy Plus for $25. Again, they've been in the game a long time. But as somebody that's a consumer that's buying these products, you still, if you see other subscription boxes, I mean, look at Glitz Glam box. It's only $15 and you get really nice things. You know, I think this subscription is definitely a ripoff, and I hate saying that because this is a minority-owned company. And trust and believe, I hate that. But you guys are more important to me, and I don't want you guys to waste your money. Unless you just want to take $25 and say, here, give me whatever's worth $25, if that doesn't bother you, you know? But somebody that gets so many subscriptions, it's like, come on. Let's see what it's like. Because I love support, and I mean, if this eyeshadow palette was pretty good, I mean, I'm going to look more into their company. I do enjoy supporting smaller owned companies. And they, let's see how they swatch. So, they don't swatch the best, but I swatched in purples, and purples are hard to do. Let's do this yellow again. They're very patchy, extremely patchy, like. But that doesn't mean anything. Swatches don't mean anything. I'm just doing it to show you the color. Let's see. All right, so we have these three here. So here are the next three colors. I'm going to swatch just a few more. Like, let me do the green. There's a lot of purples in here. Let's do the green, the purple. Let's do with the black. That's really a nice color, black. So let's see. Now, what's weird is the darker colors swatch better. Let's see if it's buildable. Yeah, let's do the green and the black. So there we go. I mean, the yellows doesn't, some of them, like I said, are very patchy. These darker colors swatched a little bit better. But like I said, I'd have to try it to actually see how it is. I didn't swatch these two lighter colors. This is a shimmer here, and this is like, you know, like you would set your eye primer for my complexion. You wouldn't be able to see that on my skin, so that's why I didn't swatch it. So, I don't know. I'll have to test this out, see the wear time. I don't know how I feel about this. I hate to be so negative. I always try to see the positive, but I just don't think, I mean, you're getting the $25 value. So it's not like you're paying $25 and you're getting $10 worth of product. You are getting your $25. But in the lane of subscription boxes, if you're like me that gets so many, you really expect to get double. At least, you know, triple you want, but at least double. And you don't get that. So, and I don't like the fact that they're calling this as two separate things. I don't know. I'm going to get off here because I'm going to stop complaining. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like, does it bother you if you get a subscription box that you pay $25 and that's the value that I get? Maybe I'm overreacting. Let me know down below. Read me the filth if I'm overreacting. Let me know. Or do you expect to get like double the value when you get a subscription box? Let me know. I really want to support more minority owned companies. So if you know any Black owned, Latina owned, any kind of company, please let me know and leave it down below so I can check them out. And that is everything, guys. So please rate this video. I always ask you guys, if you're new to my channel, I always ask you guys at the end of the video. So please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this box. Just let me know your thoughts. Give me a thumbs up. You know, give me a thumbs down if you don't think this is worth it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Alright guys, that is everything. If you enjoy unboxings, reviews, hauls, mystery boxes, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell on and make sure that you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And that's everything, guys. Please stay blessed, stay healthy, and try to stay cool in this hot summer that we are having. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, this is horrible.